Okay, Bula everyone. Vinaka Vakalebo for joining me today. Okay. Let me know if you can hear me. Okay. It's a very balmy, hot afternoon here in California, in the United States. Greeting everyone today. Hope everybody's well. And yes, Vinaka Vakalebo for joining me. Yes. Enjoy. Vinaka Vakalebo, everybody. So today's a very special session. Usually this is something I don't usually do often, but this is unboxing of a very special package sent from Canada. And it's a very special package sent by my cousin, Taniela Kuruisuva. Greetings to all our Fijian families in Canada, all the way from British Columbia, to British Columbia is to the west of Canada, all the way to the east. Yeah, in Quebec and all those beautiful French territories north of New York. So today I will be speaking in English because I would like to promote this product not only for our Itoke listeners, but also for our non-Itoke language speakers who are from Fiji. I also like to take this time to thank most of my followers who are not of Itoke background. We have some, um, our part Europeans who live in Fiji, who are born in Fiji, and many other, brothers and sisters of ours who call Fiji home. And I just wanted to greet you all and thank you for always following my page and sharing the love. And I also wanted to do a shout out to all my Vostokaviti students, our online language students, wherever you are. I greet you and thank you for always joining my online classes. For those of you who may not know, I also have a side hustle. I teach the Vostokaviti, Fijian language and culture online. I have students from all over the world who join me on Zoom, 1 hour a week with adults from 17 years and above. And I also have students who are younger, little ones, who will be joining me soon. And I've also taught many in the past. I have little students. I think the youngest I've taught was 4 years old. And I also have the older siblings who are 6 and 7. So I have little students who come in and join us in the class, and we sing songs, do storytelling, and learn the language at the same time. So for the little ones, it's always 30 minutes long. So it's shorter for them, but we do a lot of interactive stuff. So if you are interested to enroll your children or enroll your grandchildren, the little ones, they're only $10 per student per session. And for the adults, it's $20 for group sessions and per hour, and $25 for one-on-one students. Yeah, so if you are learning as an individual, it's $25. But if you come in as a group, there's a $5 discount, and you can only pay $20 for 1 hour. And I can teach a group of 10 students in one session, So you're most welcome to join me, and the classes are fun. It's very interactive. It's very informal, and I try to make it as enjoyable as it can be. And many students often come back again and enroll for the next term. And sometimes they take a break and then they join me again the following year. So it's been an honor, and it's also been a joy to be your teacher and to be your guide. Yeah. And I have to say um, that I learn a lot as well. Okay. I learn a lot from you all. So it's not that I'm just the guide and the teacher, but I'm also a learner. Nakavakalevu to everyone that has been supporting this language program, to our brothers and sisters in Canada, Sitiven in Delay and the Ngudake family, Nakavakalevu for your support. Also Mbulo Sumuta in Sydney, also Fesaitu Solomone in New Zealand, and there are many others that I've worked with and supported over the years. Um, who else? Yeah, I've always get students through the Marama Alliance UK. For those who joined me from the United Kingdom, um, yeah, to talk about Kawati. So if you have any, interest in doing projects relating to Fijian language and culture or any heritage related topics, feel free to drop me a line and I will be happy to assist you. If I cannot assist you at a particular time, I'll be happy to um, suggest another colleague of mine who will be happy to help you. Okay, so apart from the language, I just wanted to shout out to my cousin, Daniel Kuruisuva, Bula Vinaka Dan, and the Kuruisuva family in Canada. So he sent me a beautiful package, which I received before I left for Germany. So today we're going to unbox it together, yeah, and see what he has sent me as a gift. Okay. And I wanted to promote his business as well. And they create merchandise with the word Bula Vinaka. And again, it's really wonderful to see a lot of our businesses in Fiji as well as outside of Fiji proud to use our language, our Vasavakavit, yeah? For their business, for their merchandise, and just being proud of your heritage. So it's really wonderful that many of our families who have left Fiji and live overseas for most of their lives, but they are still celebrating their language in different ways. So this one is through special merchandise on T-shirts and hoodies. So let's unbox. Vinaka Vinaka Vakalevu. And if you're joining in today, please let me know which part of Fiji you are logging in from, or if you're from outside of Fiji, I'd love to hear from you. I have 6 grown men. Okay, so let's see. Okay. All right. Okay. So, Nakavakalevu, um, let me bring my scissors. Okay. And I will open up this beautiful package. It's very well packaged, I should say. So if you're going to order from them, it surely arrive in good shape. Okay. It'll be safe in the mail. Yeah. Okay. So Bula Vinaka. So today will be just a very short live, and I will be sharing with you this beautiful loloma and package from the Kuruisuva family. Nakawakalevukas for sending this beautiful package. So Daniel is from Sabsabu, the Onrove, Vasukandam. And that's where our connection comes in. Wow. Okay. So It's nicely packaged, as it should be. Hey, right. So let's see. Woohoo! Vinaka Vakalevukas. So, whoa, man, this is amazing. Wow, this is done professionally, cuz. Man, Totoka Vakaoti. This is the hoodie. Wow. And the word Bula Vinaka is on the sleeve. Wow, very fancy. Yeah, I've never seen um, any hoodie. I think most of the hoodies are often at the words at the front or the back of the hoodie. But this one is on the, can you see the word Bula? Bula Vinaka. Okay, Bula Vinaka. Wow. Lavo? Hoodie. Wow. Hoodie from what? Reva, Bula Vinaka, all the way from Canada. I can promote it when I go. Yes, all the way from Canada. So I will take out the I will see if I can take out um the green screen, if they call it that, and just use the without any. Take away the blur. There you go. Yay! So now you can see me. Wasata Sara Maktuloti Kuvikum Nikan Sara. I've been out and about today, and I'm wearing a scarf just to hold my mbuninga together. Kervi Vasoti that I'm not showing my mbuninga right now, but I would like to promote and thank my cousin Dan for sharing this beautiful hoodie, and it has the Bula Vinaka written on the sleeve. Okay, so let me hold it nicely. There you go. I hope I show it. There. Labo, sa rin Vinaka? Yeah. But it's upside down. Bula. Doon may banggo eh? Yeah. Oh, okay. Awa. There. Woo! There you go. Bula Vinaka. Oh, this way. So, hope it's. Let me hold it nicely. There. Wow. Lobo, can you see? So you're gonna model this, Lobo? Okay, wow. Yeah, today. Thank you. So Lobo will model the hoodie today, and we'll take some photos and we'll upload it. So Lobo, you're officially a model. Oh yeah. Give it a minute. So there you go, ladies and gentlemen. This is from my cousin in Canada, in I think Edmonton, if I can remember the address, but it's in British Columbia. So if you're interested to buy a hoodie with the word Bula Vinaka on both the sleeves of the jersey of the hoodie. So Bula Vinaka there, and I think I saw another one here. Okay, so this one has the Canadian flag. Not the flag, I think the emblem, Canadian emblem. There you go. Yeah, to show that it's from made in Canada. Wow. There you go. Vinaka, Canada. Wow, Totoka. Okay, what else is hiding in this hoodie? It's got pockets. So you got Bula Vinaka there. Totoka. It's got and it's nice. Okay. It's got pockets, huh? Tanga, both sides, and pocket two on the right hand side. There you go. Oh yeah, both sides in the front. Yeah, so in the front. Got hoodie. Yeah, can I hoodie go? Hope I'm holding it correctly. Yeah, so that's a hoodie. And the sleeve has the word Bula Vinaka. So I think from recollecting my Talano with my cousin, he said that they have other merchandise as well. I'm gonna move it the other way. Moving it the opposite, yeah. I think there's some t-shirts too, Kaz, if you can correct me. Bulvinaka, and also some caps. So they are using the Vasavakaviti, but putting it on the body. Yeah, so you can put it on your sleeve um, through wearing this merchandise. Yeah? So Nakavakalevukas for creating this wonderful product. So this is a hoodie to keep you warm during the cold winters. Yeah, it's summer at the moment, but I'm sure in Fiji too, it's eh? I heard people saying that in Tonga, it's also very, very cold. So this will be a good gift for any Fijians that live in Tonga to buy this hoodie. Yeah. So as I said, Lavo will be the model. um, I will post up the cost. Yeah, I will post up the cost of the hoodie for those of you who are interested to buy, and also the contact of my cousin. Vinakavakalevu for everyone that have been joining me this afternoon. Yeah, Vinakavakalevu, Isa Dombulame Chamani. I'm looking at the comments now. Seriana Lolowai, Bolivinaka, Revangu Vunga, Isa Dombulvinaka, Tineju Dombulame number Walu. Bolivinaka Suliasi Seni Kamboa. Isa, mutumbula me na makete levu isuva. Vinaka wakalevu na vararongo mai. So happy that you can join me today, this afternoon, to see one of the products that one of our sons of Fiji living in Canada, um, sharing his business for us to follow. So if you're on Facebook, which most of us do, go to Mbula Vinaka. Let me see for me to know the actual Facebook page. Mbula Vinaka page. Yeah, Bula Vinaka page. So go to the Bula Vinaka page on Facebook and find out the various merchandise that Daniel Kuruisuva and his family have created for all of us around the world. So again, as I was saying earlier on, we need to be proud of our language. And it's really wonderful that many of our brothers and sisters who have lived outside of Fiji for many years still have that deep connection with our Vanua back home. So Daniel Kuruisuva is one of those who have lived outside of Fiji, living with his beautiful family in Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada, and it's just wonderful to see that that they can be able to connect to Fiji through languages, and again using of the word Bulavinaka. So many of us know what Bulavinaka means, but you can be able to wear it literally on a sleeve like this, which is really beautiful. Yeah, the Bulavinaka. Yeah, so promoting it for him. And if you're interested to buy one, check out their Facebook page, Bula Vinaka page and see what you can, be able to order for you and also for your family and for your friends. Yeah, so it's a wonderful platform that we can be able to support one another and help our business families. Yeah. So that's one way we can practically support them, with their vision. Because as we know, for every business, it started with an idea. Everyone has lots of ideas, but with my cousin Daniel Kuruisuva, he came up with a wonderful idea, but then he stepped forward and act on it. Yeah? So that's a wonderful lesson that each of us can learn from, that action is really, really powerful. Yeah? Many of the things we do in life, things may work out and things may also not work out. If it doesn't work out, it's okay. At least you did it. Yeah? But if you did it well and it becomes successful, well done. Yeah, keep going, keep going. Don't lose hope and create as many products as you can, because a lot of our people out there around the world would love to purchase, yeah, something that you've created. And this is wonderful. Yeah, so if you're from Fiji, everyone knows the greeting Bula Vinaka, but this way you can be able to wear it, yeah, and show the world where you're from. Okay, so there you go, ladies and gentlemen. Vinaka for listening in. I really appreciate your time. Waktu lo sa katiko na vendel niya tam ket sare viti, waka vini vinaka na nomuni sema mai na sing vinaka endai. Nakbali na nomuni vito koni, ni ra weekend menda mai vitalo no na sing vinaka ni kua, na nonta vito koni tiko ve Taniela Kuruisuva. Turangan ni sabu-sabu may daon robe, vasu i wailevu, rabitaki kanda. Vabini vinaka be Taniela, en non rabitar tarmai, kavako tamoko biao na non singlet kata-kata, kavole chukina ng Bula Vinaka, au maratak sarvaka levu, en non ker me au wasea yani bikim ni sara na totoka ni singletingo kavole tiko kina na bosa ng Bula Vinaka. Inda marotaka ni na dorobongo Taniela sa may ambaki sesatiko i Canada, na marama wati na marama ni Canada, to sa may sultalangan na Lubena i Canada, kasama i tikabuno ko na nona bisinisi, ni Dakay Sulu, me wala kino ko na bosa ng Bula Vinaka. O kaya tiko na tambana ni stima ni Banua na Canada Rails. Ia, dina ni tiko en vesinga ke sara na lomo ni dona madao. Ia da marotaka ni na dorobongo siang walanga ni tiko na tambana ni stima ni Banua. E tiko talaga na nana vakana na numena tiko puna dona na bisinisi me makete taka kinoko na bosa na Bula Vinaka. Yeah. Ia usa va bini bina kan bikem ni ker sara bina ka pakalebu na nomu ni sema mai ker bi baso ti yo sa baba langi na mateni ngauna baleta ni una numira na we kanta era sega di klana basa baka viti wili kina to na we kanta me rotuma orto na no to vasu na India orto talanga na we kanta to na loma ele bordo sema tik mai sa ngon rado kun me be so sega ni to na kauni to kun tiko ia bina kan chiko na tapat yang ngani pasa baka viti menta vewa sekina o va bini bina talanga bira na wekanda mai Samoa wekanda talanga mai Tonga ele mo sardo baka mure chiko mena no bata ia baka bini bina kan ni ra weekend na sikini koa menta mentambe bata da mai vewa sei da vela beti enang buturara ni bisnis da marotaka ni levo na ngauna e ndo tukuni tungana bisnis ito okay e nduri nga mentavo nduri nga mentavo ia na nona bisinisi na ngane kungo o Taniela o marotaka ni rani mai bakanga no nongoi bata meu waseni kina na nona tatandra ke na nona sasanga me teka botaka na nona bisinisi na nona bakanga taka ngako na posa gona Bula Vinaka. E sa koa nga ia, vakaleka sara e nanongo may viwa sei tio kana singo virani kua, nakavalevo nanongo ni ngauna, menda may vitala noa, me vakau sa tukuno tia, ninga ngole nga ng Bula Vinaka page, Bula Vinaka Facebook page, mo ninga ki like, follow, order. Eh? Like, order, like, follow, order. Eh? Muni ota taksar no ni sigleti ke makara ni tapi bukan nana bisnis ya Taniela ke nana bubale mai Canada merani tomala tinga kino ko nana takaba tinga mena tomala tinga na bika en bakaro taka bika singles kata-kata ngai sala dapat bag t-shirt so tal na kai na takaba tiko na dorobongo Fabi ni binakatika ni na bukulto na bubale na Kuruisuva na nonta may pitalo na tiko na sigo binang liko. Doon pula binaka na makatili may suba, binaka valib sa na siya mo may doon pula may lambasa, doon pula may serene, binaka valib na siya mo tiko may doon pula may nisilandi. Wakang bula tal tsinga berto may chamani, binaka valib, wala bulan do to may rope, o marata ka makalebo na vikaw itaki berto na bubale o kalio pambilo, Doroboni na tewa, taon robe, nakwali ukali na vikao itaki na sota may na sitio Gatinan, virto keda na bubale, ito kera chuka ya may chamani o uane, bakatal nga kino matalabeta, nukutabale, kay kalio bambilo. Sa katalangan ni Nguilero, na bubale ni Tulodo, bate kay Ma, e na city level Frankfurt o vavinivinaca na nitula isota vaekavi tongande sarsara na tolom ni city mai chaman vavinivinaca na vika uitaki na muna nga dalakina sartumikina na vekande toki va bula talchinga vira na nongi tokani mai Polandi ngande talangai Czech Republic katalanga kina mai Bratislava, Slovakia, leia sari Hungary, ela city level Budapest. Ni otingo, na vai sulu mau lovo, nandona ni ro live tolonga, me kero na reli subanga na bunua kero baklakova, e na buku ni rakaraka, unga litu rakaraka, yo marau ni tomani o wat ki, ni me vito mani tu wat ki au lovo, e na vivo na may rope ka kero nga dia bulkin. Pabi ni binaka bikem ni nando ba kung bula mai na nung kutanga ni beba. Doon lang bula levo. Vikero ni kero diyan ramay na matakalilay. Ando iro na nung kutanga ni beba salak may na ba ang bula. Vikem ni cancel. Doon tama ni bula levo eh. Ninta tuyaw tu may vale. Kaya ngol chukay na ba kung bula be keraw. E sila vikero yung doon ang bula levo. E na bitamba. E na video. Karakatiko yani. Kaya na bibo no kero ngolewa. Sai koa ngaya, sa vonga ngoi dona miniti me vitu na kaloko vike tongo i California, o sa wakamwadi tukani vike mni keresara, naka wakalipsara na nomni wakatundalinga mai, dombulu minaka me nombo walu, revangu serena lolowai, wungan, tineju, Tara Josephine, Johnny Matiwale, isa. Tombolo vinaka me na University ni Vewa, kerto na korta toka me ni sau na maru me te levu, wakambulu tuka ni vikiom ni kersara, ngole tuka ni ngona vito koni ni bisinisi, mai wana bubale ni Taniela Kuruisuva, mai Vancouver me Canada, e na bisinisi ni Bula Vinaka. Sa wakumate ni vikiom ni wakaleka dalang kay sa tatale, e na nona ngole molobo, mimito mani na nanda vitala noa, membeleta na ni rongande ki rope. Nakawalib Sara, ni kalunga tatiko, ni madamata. Naka.